Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're doing this teal and lavender cut crease makeup look. To start this look, I'm going to be using the Jeffree Androgyny palette for the teal shade. And I'm going to be creating the cut crease shape. Then using the Juvia's Place Zulu Palette, I'm going to be using the dark purple shade for the outer corners of the cut crease. Once I have the shape I want, I'm going to be adding a little bit thicker of a line. Then using the Zulu Palette again, I'm going to be using the lighter teal shade above the area where we put the teal cut crease. Then using the Warrior 3 palette from Juvia's Place, I'm going to be using the lighter purple shade above where we put the purple before. When blending this out, I'm also blending the two colors in the middle. Here I'm erasing any of the excess color in the cut crease area. Using the Zulu palette again, I'm going to be using the light teal blue that has sparkles in it, and I'm putting this in the inner corners and the middle of the eye, underneath where we put the teal shade before. Then using the Juvia's Place Purples palette, I'm going to be using the light lavender sparkle shade for the outer corners, under where we put the purple before. Being sure to blend the two colors together in the middle. Using the same palette, I'm going to be using the darker purple in the very outermost corners. Next, for under the eyes and the face, I'm going to be using a Maybelline foundation. Next, I'm using some purple and teal for under the eyes as well. Next, I'm using the Androgyny Healthy Lengths mascara, and I will be topping this with false lashes later on. Next, I'm using a Maybelline Fit Me foundation stick for contour. For the lips, I'm using the Maybelline Superstay Matte Lipstick in a dark purple shade. And that completes this teal and lavender cut crease makeup look. I really think these colors work very well together. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.